Oh my god.
There it is.
Did you see what we got here, boys? We just put heavy duty springs on this Dyna here. We're gonna show you how to do it without having to take your front wheels off, boys. This is the other way. Oh shit. Yeah!
Woo!
Let's get into it, boys. We got our breaker bar and our 1 3/8 socket here, boys.
Let's see what it's like breaking this bad boy.
All right, today, boys, we're gonna be doing heavy-duty progressive front fork springs on Jaden's Dyna.
Oh, you did.
Oh, I broke it.
You broke it. Yeah.
Oh,
I didn't know if you did or not.
Oh.
So.
Hell yeah, boys.
Broken.
That's a quarter turn.
Yeah.
All right, easy peasy, boys. We're gonna get the top nuts broke. Not gonna take them all the way off or anything. We're just gonna break them. I believe that's the first. This is the other way. Oh shit. Son of a bitch.
Yeah, just put it on. That one's on there. Yeah.
Before removing them completely, crack each fork cap loose.
I think you got it.
I don't know if I did or not. Yeah. Yeah.
Bro.
Hell yeah, boys. Yeah. Woo. Let's get these sons of bolts off here.
Let's do it.
Oh yeah.
Cool.
All right, so put this on. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Just go slow, boys. Don't be scared. It's worn out springs. It's not gonna be that bad.
That thing really screws out of there, huh?
Unless it's done. And it had no spring.
There it is! That was really good timing by
That's why everybody gets screwed over. They give up on it.
son of a bit.
Hell yeah, boys. We got her.
Look at that. Yeah, see that? Will slice into your hand.
Uh-huh. Go ahead and take that spacer out, boys. Holy spacers.
That's bigger than I thought it was gonna
Did
be.
y'all think the baser in there was gonna be that long?
All right, we're doing the next one.
Oh yeah, let's take this left one off. Yeah!
Woo!
Next, just take out those old spacers. There they are.
It's good stuff.
So,
What are we doing next?
next.
Taking the springs out.
Are you guys ready to see this? Well,
Are you gonna be able to reach in there?
I can go reach it.
How do they reach in there, boys?
Old school, baby. You always keep a wire coat hanger. Oh, goodness. There's that washer they were talking about.
And a spring.
And a spring, baby.
This is interesting, boys.
Look
Look at that spring. Look at that baby spring. Boing, boing, boing.
Look at that window, guys. We keep the spacer, and this
Yep.
is the spacer off the left side.
The spring. We got the spacer.
Little spacer, boys. Oh my God! Oh goodness gracious, boys! Just let that excess drain in there a little bit. I'm just gonna tap her off. I got
Yeah,
a towel, so I'm
yeah.
gonna just do it. We got all the old stuff removed. I'm going with easy peasy lemon squeezy, boys.
Yeah.
All right, boys. We're just gonna stick this all the way down to the bottom. I'm gonna get started up. Pumping that, boys. Oh, Jesus. Oh my goodness. Oh my God.
Oh.
Gonna get every last little bit you can, boys. Get all that nasty shit out of there. We got our drain though, hell.
She's drained.
We are halfway there. So you know, boys, there was 2 orange hoses in there. I did it wrong. It's all right. It works great now. We checked it out. We finished it off. Works awesome. Link in the comment.
Yeah.
I'm pretty interested to see when we drop them sons of bitches in there.
Where we're at.
Where we're at. Let's take a look. Let's take a look, boys. Want to put the condensed part of the spring down in there first. Slide in the spring back in first. Boing. Put this washer in there. And then, let's see how far these stick up. According to Progressive, it's supposed to be about 3/4 to an inch. It was just a little over an inch. I think maybe 1 1/4 inches or something. We could put the tape on it when we set it in there next time. They recommend starting off with 10.5 ounces. 10.5 ounces, boys. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this stuff's clear.
10.5.
Got it.
We're gonna start off with 10.5 and then we're gonna measure, boys. Then we're gonna measure.
Nice.
Bump of the jam. 10 to 15 punch, Jaden. All the way up and all the way down. Let her settle down a little bit and then we're gonna measure it. This is what I got going on. I got a little focus on what I was doing, boys. I about forgot to show you. Got here, just taking a mark. This is 5.5 inches down. 10.5 ounces is a good starting point, and then we're gonna measure it with nothing in there. As if it's your first time doing it, you might not realize either. With those forks all the way down, it's way down there at the bottom. We're supposed to be 5.5 inches from the top. It is coming up a lot. You want to say that? Are you all the way up?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, geez. We are 10 miles away. Not even close. It's insanity. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Since they're yours, you want to throw these babies in? I bet you do. Don't you just slide them in? Oh yeah, boys. I'm getting her dialed. Dialed. Hell yeah.
It's actually hit some liquid.
Yeah, sounds a little better. So we just dropped the new springs in, then we put the spacers in.
These guys sit right on top.
Hell yeah.
I mean, it's right at an inch.
It's just a little over. It's just a little too long, man. Needs about 1/4 inch off there and it'd be perfect. It's supposed to be an inch or under, and I think it's a little over. And that did not work at all. The other tool didn't really work, it cut it crooked. So we're just gonna use a hacksaw, we're gonna put it in the vise. You guys can come on over here with me. I know, she's just fun here.
There we go.
Oh yeah. You know what I feel like today, boys? I feel like a bike builder. Got the shit in the vise. Have to get a little smoother than that. Just gonna clean these off real quick.
Yep.
Yeah, just wash them up with a little water. Dry them off with some paper towels. We don't want any water in there.
Yeah, no, like I said,
good. Okay, washers in both sides.
Yep.
Got washers in there. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. I think this might just got a little easier. It's gettable now though, you know what I mean? We'll get it, boys. You know us, we don't give up until we do. I don't know. Yeah. Oh! Oh my God.
Okay, make sure it's good, I guess.
Yeah, no, I just gotta make sure it's actually going in smooth.
Tighten it. I don't think you're gonna be able to tighten it down too much. About a torque wrench.
No, there it is. Now it's seated.
Well, we did it once, this one will be easy, right?
There we go. Dialed now, boys. She dialed.
It's crazy how far this thing actually sits in there. Let's get these babies torqued down so we can let this baby down.
All right, boys. Just got to torque her to 35 foot-pounds.
Do one more just to.
Yeah. Oh,
All right.
very good.
Let's let this baby down.
Oh, yeah. I get excited when we get the job done, boy. You ready to drop her down? Right there, baby. Drop her down. Bounce them a little bit, see how they feel. Do they push down like they did before?
I think that's what suspension's supposed
I
to
think
be like.
that's what it's supposed to feel like. All right, boys. Want to thank you guys for joining us. Catch us next week at 4:20. And until then, ride hell bent for leather.
Hell yeah. Only been breathing fumes in for 8 hours, boys. Jeez.
That's just the appetizer, don't worry.
All right.
Main course is coming. Main course is coming. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty there. Don't, I'm handing it to you.
Oh, okay, okay.